more on CEP stock or the company Capital Equity Partners. So the company currently has a market capitalization of $539.3 million. Market capitalization, you know very well, is obtained by multiplying the company's outstanding shares by its current share price. So the merger with 21 values the combined entity at $3.6 billion. This $3.6 billion figure represents enterprise value of the new company at the time of the merger announcement based on a specific Bitcoin price at that time. So enterprise value is value that more of value that accountants refer to or analysts refer to. It's a lot more removed from the market capitalization. Market capitalization resides in the stock market. It's derived from the stock market, whereas enterprise value may also refer to some values in the stock market, but it's mostly more of fundamental values and assets. So enterprise value often differs from market capitalization. It accounts for the company's debt, cash, and other factors, providing a more comprehensive picture of its total value. Yes. It's important to understand that the market capitalization of CEP stock will not automatically change to $3.6 billion simply because the combined entity is valued at that amount. Here is what will likely happen. So the new company, new stock. When the merger is finalized, Cantor Equity Partners, as it currently exists, will likely cease to trade under the CEP ticker. A new company, likely named 21, will be formed and it will trade under a new ticker symbol expected to be XXI. Okay, so 21 and or XXI will inherit all the data that CEP is currently trading with, all those market data, all those spikes. You know, this gain of 396.52%, it gained CEP gained over the last 6 months, and this 368.6% it gained over the last 1 month will be inherited by XXI. Okay, so share conversion and issuance. The existing shareholders of CEP will likely have their shares converted into shares of the new company. So, additionally, 21's existing shareholders will receive shares in the new entity. The exact conversion ratio and the number of the new shares issued will be determined by the merger agreement. Okay. I've also tried to find out what is the closing date to ensure that one participates in this, but I don't think it's going to be much of a problem as such. So valuation, the market capitalization of a new company, which will be 21, will be determined by the market's perception of its value after the merger. This will be influenced by several factors, including the value of Bitcoin holdings, over 42,000 of them as things stand right now, we believe. The business plan of 21, which includes accumulating Bitcoin, developing Bitcoin native financial products, and producing Bitcoin focused media. So, Bitcoin native financial products are products that you know, um, are inherently saying that Bitcoin, it will be a global, a future monetary asset. That's what it tries to say by saying Bitcoin native financial products. Okay, so and the other factors include market sentiment towards Bitcoin and cryptocurrency industry, the overall financial health and future prospects of the combined entity, the ownership structure with majority ownership by Tether and Bitfinex and significant minority ownership by SoftBank. The additional capital raised, which is $505 million through convertible notes and common equity. Okay, so this is also a very important factor. It helps. It may contribute to ultimately contribute to volatility further. It will continue to ensure that volatility, as we know it, will remain may remain XXI stock. Because the investors, hedge funds, and pension funds. I understand now. When they invest with this inverted convertible notes, they are also issued call options. So they will be they will be buying the stock and also shorting the stock, because in either direction they will be making money. They'll be making money. Okay, so it will ensure that it may ensure that the stock will remain volatile, just as MSTR is. So another issue is stock price adjustment. The price of the new stock will adjust based on the total market capitalization divided by the total number of outstanding shares after the merger and the share conversions. So, in summary, the market capitalization of the newly formed 21 will likely be different from CEP's current market capitalization and could potentially move towards $3.6 billion over time, depending on market forces and the company's performance. Based on recent reports, the market has reacted very positively to the merger announcement. The price of CEP stock has seen significant increases. You saw that already. I told you, already up 368.6% in the last 1 month, and up 392% in the last 6 months. So this indicates that investors anticipate substantial value in the combined entity. Some reports even suggest a market valuation for 21 significantly higher than the $3.6 billion enterprise value at the time of the announcement, based on the current trading price of CEP. Therefore, while CEP's current market capitalization will indirectly become $3.6 billion, the market capitalization of the resulting company is expected to be significantly higher than CEP's pre-merger value, reflecting the price, uh, reflecting the perceived value of 21 and the potential of the combined entity. Okay, so have a look, and I'll definitely continue to update you concerning this merger and what is likely to turn out. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.